Somebody mention birds? Thaibirdspot. Hi there birdies, and welcome back to the channel. And today we meet up with the Asian Paradise-Flycatcher. Well, I say Asian Paradise-Flycatcher, but that's its old name. This one is now the Blyth's Paradise-Flycatcher. The other usual one we have here is also the Aimer Paradise-Flycatcher. Now, I guess you're thinking, well, how can I tell the difference? Well, let me explain. The Aimer Paradise-Flycatcher has a clear demarcation between the dark glossy head and the grey breast, and has a little bit less of a prominent crest. On the other hand, this one, the Blyth's Paradise-Flycatcher, doesn't have this clear demarcation between the head and the breast, and has a little more of a prominent crest. Now this bird, you can see, is clearly a male with his bright blue eye ring and quite a prominent crest. When the males come into breeding, you'll see striking long tail feathers, which we'll see in a moment. Although, in saying that, the female is very similar in coloration, but she does lack that crest, and the blue eye ring is a lot duller. So here we go. This one is clearly a breeding male bird, and as you can see, the two elongated tail feathers. Quite a stunner really. Well, these birds I found at a waterhole in the south of Thailand this time on another little trip. And they were quite happy to come down in the midday heat for a little dip in a waterhole and a little cleanup. Anyway, I'll let you enjoy the rest of this video, this magnificent bird. But first of all, as we say, if you want to see the bird, 1, get in touch, 2, learn the sound. Anyway, that's it for now. Another little video, this time on the Blyth's Paradise-Flycatcher. As always, I hope you enjoyed this little clip, and if you did, don't forget, like, comment, subscribe and all that. Please share with your friends, it really does help. Also, don't forget, still got plenty of Thaibirdspot T-shirts. If you'd like one, just drop me a comment, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.